And back into perspective. And we can merge these two together. This area can kind of come up and around. And this area can come down. And we can delete that edge. And one more time. I'm actually going to grab the very bottom faces there that we don't need right now. And delete all of those little guys. And we'll just test out a subdivision and see how we're making out. And you can see it's a little messy, needs some smoothing out, but overall it's all in there. So we'll start smoothing everything out right now. Yeah, instead of having the inner one come to that line, I'm just going to move it out just a little bit now. And then we'll sculpt poly tool just to start smoothing out some of the edges. So again, it's just a lot of adding lines, taking away lines, adding lines, taking away lines. And we'll come over here real quick, merge those together. Come around here for now. And what I want to do at this point is cut my trunk open. So I'm going to grab some faces here where the trunk's going to stop. So we have something left like that. Now we can go in there and clean up the geometry even more. grab Sculpt Polygon tool, which we've used before, and just start moving and shaping this a little bit rounder on the back. And then we're just going to edit some lines. Actually, we'll merge these two. Delete this inside line. When you have corners and you're going to delete a vertice, always make sure you select them off. Because if you don't, you'll get a three-sided face and you don't want that. And like I say, the front and back are probably the most difficult part of this whole tutorial, just to get flowing nice and smooth. And we're almost got it now. We got all the areas we need in there. Just got to spend some time making sure that they're going to flow right. Actually, instead of doing that, what we can do is just get rid of all of those lines. And we'll just extrude the edge, and that'll do that hard work for us. So I'm just going to grab my Sculpt Polygon tool again real quick. Change the subdivision. And you see how already it's starting to get more round. Set the bottom edge here. There we go. And you can go in there and move things around. As well. And we're going to grab Split Polygon tool, and we're just going to fix this one little area right here. Last thing we want to do is add another line right here where the trunk is, and we'll start to merge everything up so that we have a full trunk that'll pop up. This one's a little bit different from the front because you got a lot more extruded edges around than you did on the front. That's why it seems a little bit more complicated. So what I want to do now is I'm going to grab the top area and convert that into a polygon of our trunk. And again, just kind of smooth some things out.